Do you also want to create pin in Pinterest for your WordPress post? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in this video I am going to show you how you can turn WordPress post into Pinterest pins instantly. And we are going to create this automation using Pabbly Connect, which can integrate different applications and start automating your work. So now in this video, as soon as we will receive a new post over our WordPress, we are going to create pin in Pinterest. So if you also want to create this automation, then let me take you towards my screen. So welcome to my screen, and now let's create our Pinterest pin from the WordPress post. So right on the screen you can see inside Pabbly Connect I have already integrated both these applications, that is WordPress and Pinterest, and I have created this automation for showing you the real-time working of this automation so that you can understand its impact on your business. So whether you are a content creator or blogger, this automation is going to be very beneficial for you. So now let's check the real-time working of this automation. So for that, let's move on toward my WordPress account where I'm going to make a new post. So now let's click over this add post, and here I'm going to create my new post. So here you can see I have provided the title of my post as The Secret to Glowing Skin, Use Face Serum the Right Way, and here I have provided the description of my post, and now I am going to add an image to this post. So for that we just have to click over this set featured image, and here I'm landed to my media library where I'm going to select this image that is for the serum. So here I'm going to simply click over this set featured image, and here we have successfully added an image to our WordPress post. Now let's publish this post by simply selecting this publish button, and my post has been successfully published. Now let's view this post. So here as I have clicked over this view post, you can see the post which I have recently created on my WordPress account. Now let's move on towards my Pinterest to check whether a pin is created over there with the same title, same image or not. So here I'm landed to my Pinterest account where I'm on this board, that is skincare. So here I'm going to refresh this page, and here you can see I'm successfully receiving the same pin which I have recently created over my WordPress as a new post. And here you can even see the same title which I have recently added, that is The Secret to Glowing Skin, Using Face Serums the Right Way, and here you can even see the description of this pin as well. So now you can also create an amazing automation for your own business too. But before that, let me show you the surprise which I have bought for you if you are planning to buy any of our Pabbly product. So right on the screen you can see this coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on your purchase for the Pabbly. So this is your chance to get instant savings with creation of automations. So if you are planning to buy any of our Pabbly product, then use this code and you will get exclusive discounts on your yearly and lifetime access plans. Now for creating this automation, you have to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation tool provided by Pabbly. So for accessing it, you have to open the new tab and type its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will get two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you can simply select this sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, then you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and using Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in, and once you sign up your account, you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page where I am going to access this Pabbly Connect app as I am going to create an integration. And here we are landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect where you can see these are the folders I have created, where I have created many automations by using different applications. Now if you want to create your own folder, then you can just click over this create a new folder button, and here you have to provide the folder name, and you can even select the parent folder for better organization. And now at last you simply have to click over this create button, and now I am going to create a workflow. So for that we just have to click over this create workflow button, and here we are getting two options, that is create from scratch and create using AI. So if you want to create your workflow from scratch, then you can select this option of create from scratch, and if you want to take the help of AI for creating your workflow, then you can select this option of create using AI. But I am going to create my workflow from scratch, so here I am going to select select it, and now we are getting this option for selecting the workflow builder. So here we are getting two workflow builder, that is beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible, and another workflow builder we are getting is classic, which will provide you stable and familiar approach. So here I am going to use this newly launched workflow builder beta. So for that you simply have to click over this select button, and here we are getting this dialog box which is asking me to enter my workflow name. So now let's provide a name to my workflow here. So here I'm providing it the name create Pinterest pin from WordPress post. Now let's select our folder as automation. Now let's click over this create button, and here we are getting this pop-up, and we are landed to our workflow page where you might see this option of adding the trigger. So now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So Pabbly Connect basically works on two applications, that is trigger and action. So trigger is your first application or the application which initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as a new post is created over my WordPress account. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as WordPress. So now let's search for it. And here you can see I'm getting this application, so I'm going to select it, and now I'm going to select my app event as new post publish, as I want to trigger this particular application as soon as a new post is created over there. Now let's click over this connect button, and here we are getting this webhook URL which is going to act as a bridge between Pabbly Connect and WordPress for building our connection. So now let's copy this webhook URL, and now let's move on towards my WordPress account and add this webhook URL to our WordPress for building the connection. So here you can see I'm landed to my WordPress account, where on the sidebar you will be getting this option for plugins, and on the plugins you just have to click over this add plugin, and here we are landed to this page where I'm going to search a plugin, that is WP Webhook, and here you can see as I have searched for it, I'm getting this WP Webhook plugin. So you firstly have to install this plugin, and afterwards you just have to go to the settings given on the sidebar, and here you can see I'm getting this option, that is WP Webhooks, which you have to select. And here we are landed to this page where I'm going to select this send data, and now on this send data I'm going to select my webhook trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger as post created, and now on this particular trigger I'm going to add the webhook URL. So now let's click over this add webhook URL, and now I'm going to enter my webhook name as my Pinterest webhook. So here I have provided the webhook name, and now I am going to add the URL which I have recently received. Now let's click over this add for post create, as we have added our webhook URL for the post creation. And now I am going to select three dots of the webhook which I have recently created, and here I am going to select this option of settings. And now again I am going to select my trigger as post and the status as published. Now let's click over this save settings, and here our settings has been saved successfully. And here you can see in my Pabbly Connect it is waiting for the webhook response. So for providing the webhook response, we have to do the test submission, or we have to create a new post. So now let's create a new post. So now let's click over this add post, and again I'm going to create a new post over my WordPress for providing the test data. So here I have provided my post title as simple makeup tips for a flawless and long lasting look, and here I have provided the description of my post, and now I am going to add an image to this post. So now let's click over this set featured image, and now let's say I'm going to add this image. So now let's click over this set featured image. Now let's publish the post which I have recently created in my WordPress. So now let's click over this publish button, and here you can see my post has been successfully published. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether my Pabbly Connect is capturing the data or not. So here you can see in my Pabbly Connect I'm successfully receiving this response, and here you can see the image URL, the URL of the post which I have created, and here you can even see the title which I have added. And now I am going to add this post to my Pinterest as a new pin. So for that I am going to add my action app as Pinterest. So now let's click over this add new actions tab button, and here I'm going to select my action app as Pinterest. So now let's select it, and now I'm going to select my app event as create pin. Now let's click over this connect button, and here I'm landed to the connection page, where if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and if you want to build a new connection, then you just have to click over this add new connection button, and make sure to log in your Pinterest account for building a smoother connection. Now let's click over this connect with Pinterest button, and here you can see it is asking me to allow the access. So here I'm going to give access as my data is safe with Pabbly. So here my connection has been built in so smoothly as I already have logged in my Pinterest account. And here I'm getting some of the fields. So the first field we are getting is for selecting the board. So from this drop down I'm going to select the board which I have created in my Pinterest account. So here I'm going to select my board as skincare, and afterwards we are getting this field, that is board selection ID, which is not necessary, so I'm going to leave it as blank. And now we are getting this field for entering the image URL. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually enter my image URL, but no, I'm going to perform mapping, which is the real magic of Pabbly Connect, which will not let me to enter anything manually. So here we are going to perform mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map the image URL from the response which I'm receiving from WordPress, as this is my previous step. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to use the slash symbol, and you will be getting all your previous applications. So here I'm getting this WordPress, and from here I am going to map the image URL which can be seen here, and afterwards I am going to map the title of my post as well. So here I am going to search for the title which can be seen here. So here I have mapped my title as well, and now I am going to map the description. So here I am going to search for the description of the post. So here you can see this is the description or the content, and these fields are dynamic, means now you don't have to enter anything manually, because as soon as your WordPress post will be created, it will be automatically added as a pin, as we have performed the mapping. And now let's click over the save and send test request, as these fields are not necessary. And here you can see I'm getting a positive response, which means our pin might be created in our Pinterest account. So now let's move on towards my Pinterest account and check it. So here you can see in my Pinterest account I'm on this board, that is skincare, and here you can see I'm successfully receiving the same image which I have recently added in my WordPress post. And here you can even see the same title which I have recently added to my WordPress post, that is simple makeup tips for a flawless and long lasting look. So now you have seen that how easily I have added my WordPress post as a new pin in my Pinterest account. So now you can also create an amazing automation for your business too. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now and create many amazing automations like this for enhancing your business, for reducing your manual workload and save your time. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created by integrating both these applications in the description given below, so make sure to check it out. And if you have any doubt, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section. And if this video feels really helpful, then hit the like and subscribe button. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this automation, you can build many more integrations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can post it over the forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Connect for free now.